people, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the fact that the government has just announced that for the upcoming Christmas, right, there will be some major operations planned, right? And they're saying they'll be deploying over 400 new members or 400 members of the police and military. And this information came after apparently there was this big meeting with the National Security Council on Thursday, and they decided that they were going to roll out more people on the ground, and they were going to have a lot of operations planned around the Christmas period. And the operations are supposedly to clamp down on dons and gangs and illegal weapons, etc. People, listen to me I say right now. If you sit down with this National Security Council, right, and you decide we're going to bring out these strategies and we're going to do this to target these criminals, why would you then come out and announce it on November the 1st? Why would you announce that way up in November, right, and give all the 87s, all the 90s, pre-warning, advance notice that, hey, during the Christmas, we're going to be on the ground? People, how that makes sense? How can you convince me that crime fighting is serious in Jamaica? So you're going to have these operations, right? You're going to run in upon the man them, right, in the Christmas time. So after you sit down with this big National Security Council, right, all the big wigs and the big neck man them and the big suit man them come together and plan and laugh. Haha, we have a big strategy. Right, and you come together and you plan it out and you say, this is how we're going to clamp down on crime. The next thing to do was to then announce it on November the 1st. You don't realize, people, you don't realize this whole thing is just a cartoon business. You don't realize this is a movie. This is smoke and mirrors. So now them have this, and by them I mean 87s and 90s. All these people you're claiming you're going to clamp down on. Now they have a whole month. Let's say this start December the 1st. So they have all of November to hide where them want hide. Stash off where them want stash off. Who want go Haiti if you go lay low. Who want run a country go lay low in the bush. Who want chill out over here so until this phase pass and this operation end. People in realize to set up thing this. Who does that? Who announces which conflict you've ever seen in history where people announce way out down the road, say, yo, listen, this period of time I'm gonna come for you. The greatest, or one of the greatest tools you can ever have, right, on the battlefield is the element of surprise. I can tell you this from personal experience. You can have all the weapons in the world, all the training in the world, you can have all the manpower in the world. There is nothing more devastating than the element of surprise. It is surprise, right, that allows smaller, less equipped, less trained groups to defeat or at least hold out in large military battles against bigger forces. That is because there is no real way to plan around it. You can prepare for ambush, you can do ambush training, but really, because you absolutely don't know what the person have planned for you, you can't really prepare yourself for it because you don't even know from which angle, at what time, and where it's going to go down, right? So this is why anytime a 87 or a 90 is on the run, as long as him have a police friend, as long as him have a friend in the system who can tip him off and tell him say, yo, them a come for your money, you know, then him can run away, him can go hide. Anytime them catch any 87, Dopey Film and all these people, anytime them get catch and mash up is always because of the element of surprise, right? So when you tell man, say, yo, Christmas time, we have big operations planned to get up all these guns and get up all these weapons, what do you think the man am going to do? Gather all them weapons and lay them in front of them yard for you? You think they're going to gather them in some crocus bag and put them down and say, alright, here you go, government, you can come for them? No, you already warned them, say I come for them. You already warned them that there's a big operation coming. So they're going to take the necessary steps to counter it. You can't tell me these people are serious. How? You can't tell me so many men with so much big paperwork and so much big degrees and so much years in the politics and so much years in the force don't know this? This thing is a joke, people. So all the 87s and 90s out there, I guess you're very grateful now because now you know what come. So now you can go hide where you hide, right? Lay low, make things blow off, Christmas season gone, smoke and mirrors, right? And then next year, on a hot again. People, this thing is a joke. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.